Good afternoon, my dear students, and my name is S. Srinivas Reddy, Srinidhi Teacher Training Institute and Dr. Rajendra Prasad B.Ed College, Asifabad. And today my topic is already we have discussed 3 points from soft skills from the subject of school culture and leadership, and today we will discuss in detail about some other soft skills. In that, next one, leadership skills. వాటిని మనం తెలుగులో ఏమంటామంటే నాయకత్వ లక్షణాలు అంటాం. మీరు జనరల్గా ఒక వ్యక్తిని చూసంటే ఆ వ్యక్తి దగ్గర నాయకత్వ లక్షణాలు ఉన్నాయా లేవా అని కొన్ని రోజులు మనం అతను చేసేటువంటి పనిని బట్టి మనం పసిగట్టవచ్చు. అతను చేసేది మామూలు పని అయినా కూడా ఇతని దగ్గర ఖచ్చితంగా నాయకత్వ లక్షణాలు ఉన్నాయి, ఇతను ఖచ్చితంగా పై స్థాయిలోకి వెళ్తాడు అని ఒకవేళ అతన్ని మనం ఎక్కువ రోజులు గమనించినట్లయితే మనకు అర్థమవుతుంది. అంటే అతని దగ్గర లీడర్షిప్ స్కిల్స్ ఉన్నాయని మనం అర్థం చేసుకుంటున్నాం. అంటే మరి ఇక్కడ మనం కాబోయేటువంటి టీచర్లం, అలాగే ప్రస్తుతం ఉన్నటువంటి టీచర్లు ఖచ్చితంగా వీ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ అ లీడర్షిప్ స్కిల్స్. సో లీడర్షిప్ ఈజ్ నాట్, it is not a subject or it is not a topic which is going to be available in the textbook. That leadership is going to be available in nature itself only. And the next second one, by birth everybody is not going to have a leadership skills. So those leadership skills can be learned in a easy manner when you are in the environment, you are doing something in the nature or environment. By doing those things unconsciously you are going to get a leadership skills. So here first we will understand what is leadership. Leadership means what? That whatever conversation, whatever information is there, if you are passing that information to other people. Next, second one, whatever power is with you, when you are going to decentralize that power from higher system into lower system, so then you have a leadership skill. Next, second one, as a leader you should influence members of the society, inside the classroom also, inside the school also. When you are a leader, you should influence other teachers and also students and also members of the society. So this is also one of the soft skill. So if you have leadership skill, you can teach effectively, you can do communication effectively, you can able to give solution to the problem in an easy manner. So that is the power of leadership. But some people will understand that leadership is nothing but centralized power. That is not a centralized power, that is a decentralized power. Because whatever power is with you, you are giving that powers to your next cadre bureaucracy. Yes or no? Means that staff members are going to feel that we are getting importance from our principal or headmaster or a leader. Like that feeling will come. When that feeling will come, then whatever work is given by you to them, so they are going to do the justification to that work. So that is called as a leadership. Next, second one is what? Influence. Influence means what? For example, you are a principal or you are a headmaster and you are not teaching inside the classroom. Means that you are not giving influence to others. When you want to give influence to others, what is compulsory? Even though you are a principal, but from core area, basically you are the teacher. So if you are going to teach inside the classroom, in each and every classroom, automatically other teachers are going to get influence from your side. So this is called as a leadership skill. Thank you.